The professional way to install ceramic tile baseboards, Wazrah, in a bedroom. A complete step-by-step guide. Installing ceramic tile baseboards, also known as Wazrah in Arabic, is a crucial finishing step that adds elegance and tidiness to any bedroom. While most people focus on the flooring itself, the baseboard plays an important aesthetic and practical role by protecting the lower parts of walls from moisture, dirt, and damage caused by cleaning or friction. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every detail of installing ceramic tile baseboards in a bedroom, using a method suitable for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts alike. Step 1. Tools and materials required. Before beginning, it's important to prepare all the necessary tools and materials, including ceramic tiles for the baseboard, preferably matching or complementing the floor tiles, measuring tape and masking tape for layout and alignment, tile cutter, manual or electric for accurate cutting, level tool or laser level to maintain straight lines, tile adhesive, glue or mortar, depending on the surface, notch trowel for spreading adhesive, tile spacers to maintain consistent gaps, clean sponge and water for wiping excess grout, tile grout in a matching or neutral color, and rubber mallet for gently tapping tiles into place. Step 2. Surface preparation. Clean the walls thoroughly. Remove any dust, loose paint or grease from the lower section of the walls where the baseboard will be installed. A clean surface ensures better adhesion. Mark the height of the baseboard. The standard height ranges from 7 to 10 centimeters depending on the design. Use a level and pencil or chalk line to mark a straight reference around the room. Measure and cut the tiles. Based on your layout, cut the ceramic tiles to the required height for each section of wall. You can repurpose floor tiles by cutting them into strips to use as baseboards for a consistent look and cost efficiency. Step 3. Installation. Steps 1. Apply adhesive. Use the notch trowel to spread tile adhesive either on the back of the tile or directly onto the wall surface. Spread it evenly in horizontal ridges to improve grip. Set the tile. Carefully press the tile onto the wall at the marked height. Use your hand or rubber mallet to gently tap it into place and remove any air gaps. Use tile spacers, insert spacers, between tiles to maintain equal distance and achieve clean, aligned grout lines. Check alignment regularly. After placing every 1 or 2 tiles, use a level to ensure they're straight and not tilted inwards or outwards. Handle corners and edges with care. In corners, you may need to cut tiles at a 45-degree angle, mitre cut for a seamless look, or simply align them straight based on your preference. Step 4. After installation. Allow for proper drying time. Let the adhesive cure for at least 24 hours before touching or grouting the tiles. Grouting the joints. Once dry, use grout to fill in the joints between tiles. Use a damp sponge to clean off any excess before it hardens. Final cleaning. After the grout sets, wipe the surface with a clean dry cloth to remove dust and residue. Pro tips from the experts: avoid installing over old paint or damp walls. Make sure baseboard lines align with floor tile lines. Choose a strong adhesive to withstand moisture and temperature changes. Measure carefully around sockets or uneven wall features. For a luxurious touch, consider decorative or rounded edge tiles, made specifically for baseboards. Why baseboards matter? They protect walls from mops, cleaning tools, and scuff marks. They create visual balance and enhance the floor's appearance. They make the room look more polished and professionally finished. They can also conceal electrical cables or gaps between the wall and floor. Conclusion. Installing ceramic tile baseboards in a bedroom is more than just a finishing touch. It's a showcase of craftsmanship. It not only enhances the room's appearance, but also provides long-term protection to the wall base. By following this detailed guide, using the right tools, and applying careful workmanship, you can achieve a clean, elegant result without needing future repairs. If you're a professional craftsman or a homeowner aiming for a premium finish, don't skip the Wazrah. It's a subtle detail that completes the room and reflects true attention to detail.